Hey guys, the journey of an entrepreneur is the most adventurous. So let's hear one today with me, Pradeep Kumar Naidu, on our new show, The Entrepreneur. We have joined here with Mr. Subramanya sir.
Good afternoon,
Good
Pradeep.
afternoon. Good afternoon, sir. Great joining you here. And probably
Yeah,
you will give us more about your company, that is Evergreen, as well as Seashell Plastics. Please go ahead, sir.
yeah,
It's all yours.
yeah,
Can you please
yeah,
start
yeah,
off with your company history?
yeah, I'll do that. See, in 1980, I joined a company called Electronics with a partnership with a senior partner who was technically qualified. Then I was with him for almost 4 years. Then I lost around 20,000 in the bargain. I left him and started this Evergreen Enterprise as a proprietorship concern. And we started with the injection molding components at that time. We were supplying to automobile industry and all. At that time, the market was not so good and all. I took a loan of 2.25 lakhs from KSFC in 1984 and started that unit in a rented premises. And somehow we could able to manage and do some good business. We started this Seashell Plastics in the year 1989 with the partnership of Mr. Srinivasan, and we same injection molding only. We continued with that. All automobile components we were doing. But in 1996, we thought this will not work out because the competition was such. We want to divert this business to some other this thing vertical. Then we went for uh, plastic blow molded components, that is containers for pharma and personal care industries. From
So,
there, we
so what is your current team strength, sir?
number we have got 100 people now.
Okay. And
Totally, we are.
whether the company is under loans or bootstrapped or funded?
No, it is companies under loan only. We have taken loans from term loan from KSFC and working capital from SBI.
So can you just brief us whether it is you're the only founder or there are co-founders? Any info about the co-founders?
No, no, no. We are. I am the founder, and Mr. Srinivasan has joined. But in 2008, my wife also started one more unit by name Panaga Enterprise, which is into blow molding and injection molding, both blow molding and injection molding.
Fine, sir. So talking about the financial positions of the company, what is the current turnover?
We make a group turnover of 25 crores.
And percentage of new customers coming in over old? What is the kind of percentage?
See this customer, new finding a new customer and having the customer base already you are having, expanding in that arena is better than searching for a new customer, because you will be knowing the financial this thing for how they are paying us and all. And about new customer, we have to invest on molds and other things. If you don't get proper this thing payment back, we'll be under a terrible loss and we'll be losing the present customer also in the bargain.
So
So
at least you
we
expand about 10 to 15 percentage with new customers, or you are fixed with only the selected customers?
know around 5 to 10% we may do it,
Uh-huh.
but our current expansion with the present customer is more. 20
Okay.
25% we go on expanding on that.
So what is the cost of retainment? Cost of retainment, as in cost of retaining the existing customer. Do you offer them more leeway on freebies or more leeway on payment procedures?
No, the best way to have your customer intact, you should have a very clear understanding with them and transparent negotiations.
Negotiation. Yeah.
And also, you should give the best available service to them with quality and right schedule
Exactly.
and competitive price. And your personal agenda is very important with the customer more than everything. how you deal with the customers. Some customer, what they tell you, know, that man is so arrogant, he talks like that and all that. But you should be very fair with them. That
Correct.
gives the benefit of having a
Correct.
long understanding with customers.
Correct. So, how many engineers do you have, sir? Engineers.
Seven.
Seven engineers. Okay. And
Yeah,
do you
I
do you
tell
have
you the background. My production manager is a mechanical engineer. He's with me for 20 years now. He's a
Okay.
mechanical engineer with the CPET background, post graduation in CPET.
Fine. So, how many do you have sales representatives or marketing guys?
You know, see, small scale, what the mistake people will do, you know, they give that marketing to somebody wherein our market is very, this thing, you know, close. So what they will do, they can take all your orders to somebody else, your competitor.
Correct.
If 10,000 rupees, if they pay 15,000 rupees, you know, my total this thing will be out. I think as an entrepreneur, you should not leave the marketing to anybody until you grow to
Correct.
corporate.
Correct. So, what is your operating margin, sir?
See, it works out to finally it comes to around 78% maximum.
That's a good percentage. And what is your salary percentage?
We work on, see, we work on volumes, Pradeep. Basically,
Sure.
we work on volumes.
Yeah, basically, people who work on volumes have very less percentages. Correct. What you said is right.
Yeah, yeah,
Yeah. And how
yeah,
is
yeah.
salary percentage to turnover, sir?
Huh?
What is the salary percentage to turnover?
Yeah, it comes to around 8 to 9%.
Okay, well within the bandwidth of 10%. That's a good figure, sir. Now,
No, yeah.
talking about your strengths and improvements, what is your core strength of your company, sir?
See, we have done our market survey, you know, much above our customers' expectation. What they need tomorrow, we should think and do that. See, whatever market we are finding, you know, now COVID has come. You should assess the market. You should have a vision. Now, a lot of things from China it is going to come. You should have that vision. What preparation I should do as a small scale to come and get that whatever share in the market. That
So
should be your
how
strength.
so how do you think your core strength has helped you sail through this COVID period, sir?
See, what happens, you know, as COVID, this thing came, you know, we had four verticals: pharma, personal care, vet care, food care, and agro care. See, during COVID, this thing lockdown, we went for essential services, pharma, like sanitizer container, pharma containers. That is a must for the market, you know. So
Correct.
we could able to sustain in those areas, only pharma and this personal care and all, we could able to sustain the market.
Okay. And do you think work from home is a boon or a bane, sir? Like, is it advantages or disadvantages?
Which one?
Work
What?
from home, is it a advantage for small scale industries or a disadvantage for your particular segment?
No, I think in future, work from home is the order of the day, Pradeep, because these industries are going away from Bangalore, you know. You will
Correct.
be, I can shift up to Kollegal or so, but I have to control the unit. How you can work? You have to work from home only to control that. And for that, you should have the systems in
Correct.
place.
Systems in place. Correct.
Then only see I get everything. All my unit is in Kanapura. I get all the details through mail. What is the production today? What are the machines you are having? Basically, entrepreneur should have the knowledge of his business.
Correct.
He should not depend on somebody. Technology wise, also marketing, everything, accounts. He should have the knowledge where I am standing. See, people will tell 50 lakhs I lost in the business. It is not so unless you are the culprit if you are losing 50 lakhs in the business.
What are the areas that you would like to improvise?
See, basically now the time has come. Labor is a big challenge in the market now, and skill is a challenge.
Yeah, one of the biggest challenges.
So,
Yeah.
yeah, both the things are not available in India. So we have to really automate the systems in our unit. We should go on doing those things. Then only we can be competitive in the market, quality wise, everything, schedule wise, and all. We have to really automate your plan. Now the
So
time has
you're
come.
currently working on it. You're currently working on it, or you have set a timeline for it, sir.
No, one unit is already working on that.
Mm-hmm. That's a very good strategy. Now, talking about strategy, our next segment basically focuses on strategies. You have a chief strategist in your company?
Yeah, yeah. Now time has come. All these why North Indian units make more of a turnover and more of profit. South Indians are not doing those this thing entrepreneurs basically.
Hmm.
We are only doing for OEMs. We should think of doing products
Correct.
which can be
Basically,
directly
B2B product.
supplied to
Yeah.
the market,
Correct.
and your margin will improve, and your operation of business also grows, widens.
True.
So you can see Coimbatore and all the south, they do only products, and they are doing very well in the market always. Whether the market is down or up, they are doing very well.
So,
And
how do you think
that,
this particular? How do you think a strategist can help in times like this? For example, you have prepared. For example, a company like yours. Let us say you are the
mm,
strategist, or you have appointed a chief strategist for your company, sir.
see, basically what happens, you should have trusted people around you. This small scale, you can't give every detail to everybody in the market.
True.
That goes everywhere in the this thing. All my competitor will also take that.
Hmm.
You should have mentors with you, mentors who can trust you. You can trust well. We have kept some mentors who are experienced in this field. We
Okay.
go to them, we talk to them, we discuss with them, and they are not connected to our business.
Yeah, that's a very good plan, sir. So now, what is the next go-to plan that you have got? Post COVID, now what is your next plan?
See, now government has come out with lot of packages, for working capital as well as term loan. You have to take the advantage of that. You should take a calculated risk.
Correct.
As an entrepreneur for almost 40 years, that is my strategy. We have to take a calculated risk. Sitting and waiting and what the market is going to happen and all, if you are thinking, you are out of the race.
What strategies we have used prior to COVID has to completely change post COVID. Is that what you would also like to say?
Yeah, because we were waiting for the government, what are the things they are going to do and all, Now they have given a package for small scale. This is the
Correct.
time you have to take the opportunity.
True, true.
Opportunity, and market is wide open now. So many industries are going to close now.
Exactly.
Market is
So,
wide.
so market is expanding, and you're also trying to get new strategies, utilizing
Yeah, yeah.
new loan plan from the government, state government. That's a wonderful idea, sir. That's a wonderful idea. Now, moving on to your personal rapid fire round. Married or single?
Married.
How many kids?
Who-
What would you do with the same knowledge that you have right now if you were 20-year old?
I would have made another 10 industries.
That's a wonderful answer. And how many hours of sleep do you get, sir?
Around 6 hours.
I think you should extend it by 2 more hours.
No, because see, if you do proper, your father knows. If you
Yeah.
do proper exercises, yoga and walking, that much is enough for our age.
Correct, 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 correct. And what is the current book that you are reading, sir?
See, no, I spent lot of things on in COVID. This thing I saw Mahabharata and Ramayana, so that I
Yeah.
could able to learn a lot of things out of that.
Oh, that's an epic. That's an epic book that so you advise everybody to go through it.
Yeah, that is better because see Krishna's strategies, you see how he has made all strategies to win the war. He advises Krishna, Arjuna, that it is your kartavya to kill Kauravas.
Sir, to rephrase it, Krishna was a chief strategist in Mahabharata. Do you agree?
Yeah. 100%.
Okay. So any CEO that you are following, sir?
I am a great fan of your Apple founder.
Oh, okay. Steve Jobs. So you are following Steve Jobs.
Yeah, he is the best entrepreneur. You must have seen this thing, how when he was imagining so much, when their employees were unable to understand that what he is imagining.
He is. I think he will be remembered as the most aggressive employer.
No, because his vision was so wide, I could have not thought about that. Making that this thing, whatever this thing he was imagining, it is, I don't know how he has done all those things. And Bill Gates,
True.
great person.
So, thank
people who can really have done. And your Bloomberg owner is also like that.
Yeah, true.
Say, I will share you one last. This is the last one. I will share you. When I went in 1984, I bought one mission from Bombay, and I went there. And in March, due to tax and all, the mission got this thing, rate was from 2 lakhs to 2,16,000. It went up. Then I went to that person. He was one Mr. Nanavati. He was around 70-year-old. He was smoking Chachna cigarette. Then asked, I was hardly 21, 22. Sir, 16,000 is too much for me. How I can pay? And he said, I can give that discount. But one thing, as a young person, as a businessman, you should not beg in front of anybody. You should know how to earn that 16,000. Then only you will become the entrepreneur. Don't beg. Then I stopped. And he said, finally, I'll give a mission. This 16,000 will be nothing for you. Trouble-free mission I'll give. Up to 1998, I didn't open anything, electrical, hydraulic. It ran without any problem. See, these are all the examples we should take. Until that, we were always, sir, give me something. You have to dictate. Then only you will get the reward.
Correct.
See, this is what I am going to give. This is the money I will charge. People will give.
Correct.
Andaj has become the order of the day. Sir, somehow you manage this time, sir. Next time I will give. Nobody will take that. So thank you, brother.
That is a wonderful experience that you have shared. Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you.
For spending so much time with us.
Bye.
Thank you, sir.
Bye.
Hope we'll meet soon. Yeah, bye, sir.